Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put your OnlyFans link in your bio. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the platform where you want to add the link, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. Now log into your account and head over to your profile section. Here you will see an edit profile button. Click on that. Next, you will see a section called Bio. Now open a new tab and go to your OnlyFans profile. Copy the full URL from the address bar. It should look something like onlyfans.com/your username. Come back to your social media profile and paste a link into the bio field. Make sure the link is correct and looks clean. Click save and your OnlyFans link will now be visible on your profile. And that's it. Now you know how to put your OnlyFans link in bio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.